What's up, you guys? This is Shadow Walker Cosplay. Today we're going to be doing part 1 of the Darth Revan costume tutorial. We're only going to be doing the cape right now because I accidentally didn't get enough material for the hood and everything, so we're going to be doing that along with the leather chest rig that he has. So we'll jump right into that. Some of the materials that you guys are going to need are some hooks for the attachment by the neck, some stretchy cloth. So I ended up not needing this material. I went with a different design that didn't end up needing this cloth. So yeah, sorry, let's get back to it. Some pins, just regular scissors are okay. Something that's gonna cut it straight and not make it super jaggedy. Some tape. A little sewing machine. It doesn't have to be the greatest sewing machine, but just enough to get through some thick material anyway. For the main cape, just some thick black material. It doesn't really have to be the greatest material, or just find something that you guys like. I guess I just got some like kind of canvas-y stuff, but it has really good texture to it. So I decided to just get this. And that's pretty much basically what you're gonna need for this. So let's jump right into that, and we're gonna transfer you over to my GoPro. I actually didn't use my GoPro either. Surprise, surprise. I didn't use a lot of things in this video, but anyway, basically what I'm saying is that I have two separate piles of 2 yards of wrinklies. Both of them equal 4 yards total. And then what I did here was that I overlapped the two, and then with these pins I fastened up one side going lengthways, not width. So after pinning it, I put it in this handy dandy magical machine here, and everything went pretty smooth after that. Wrong. No, it broke like 5 seconds after I started using it, so I had to revert to hand sewing. So yeah, this thing was very sad and it made me mad, so I spent the next couple hours hand stitching. It wasn't actually that bad. It gave me a little bit more practice to hand stitch, so it was alright. Damn, boy, look at those majestic hands working.
So there's the final result of the two yards put together to make the 4 yards in total. Then what you're going to do after that is that you're going to fold it in half the same way that you already had it. Then you are going to hopefully already know the length that you need it and make markers all the way up to the corner. The reason why I didn't fold it into a triangle is because it is not a perfect square. So what I had to do was I had to measure it out and then kind of just estimate what the angle was for it to kind of do that really nice draped cape look that you see in movies and stuff when it's like flowing behind them and everything. So what I did was I just made the markers and then I made a line with all those markers with chalk so that I could make the cut. And then cut the same way that I made the outer half circle for the neckline. Then after that is it all stretched out with the neckline and the half circle cut. After making these cuts, you should always just try it on to make sure that it fits. Then after that, I got the hooks for the neckline, and I am going to sew those on now.
Alright, thank you guys for watching. This is pretty much the final result with the pins and everything in there. I think it went pretty good. It was kind of a pain in the ass for sure, because a learning process, but it was really like kind of my first time really sewing anything by hand, so probably not the prettiest thing, but it works. So like I said, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.